up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be romanticizing my life. I'm gonna be the main character and I'm gonna take myself out on a date.
Girl, you better take care, 'cause that man is trouble, you best beware.
And having a little bit of me time. I am going to be cooking dinner for myself, which isn't new, but I'm gonna be playing some good music, maybe lighting a candle, setting the mood, you know, just date night stuff. And I just thought this would be a fun idea. I'm gonna actually force myself to go out, watch the sunset, do something fun, and dress up for no one but myself. And maybe take a few pictures on self-timer mode. Who knows? First things first, I actually need to rinse off my tan. So this video is sponsored by Coco and Eve. I have been using their self-tanning products for a few weeks now. Personally, I think it is the best self-tanner I have used, and I have used a lot. I have my favorites, and Coco and Eve has made it to the top. I like it because it's not greasy at all. When I say at all, I mean you can put clothes on a second after you apply the product. It's not streaky. It doesn't leave a single streak. The mitt that you use is such good quality. It fits on like a little mitten instead of just like a rounded cone. Like it even has a spot for your thumb, so you can get the most perfect application, and you don't have to worry about when you're like rubbing it in that it's gonna like fall off or anything. And not only that, but it actually hydrates your skin. So this self tanner is made with coconuts, amino acids, and botanicals to make sure that your skin is very hydrated and firm, and you can feel it. Like your skin feels moisturized after applying the self tanner. It's also infused with Bali inspired ingredients to help prevent aging. This is like skincare, but it actually makes you look glowing and tan. The base is green, it's not orange, so you're not gonna look orange in pictures. We'll see that like green undertone, and that is going to wash off like the most perfect bronze, and it develops in 2 hours. It's already been on for me for about 4 hours now, and I'm about to rinse it off, but you can have it on overnight for a richer tan. You can have it ready in 2 hours if you have somewhere to go like I do. So this is perfect for those date nights. So it's something that I love using, and it makes just me feel so confident. I also use the drops in my moisturizer. So I apply my moisturizer and I apply the drops, and the drops go on clear, but they make your face very, very bronze. And it's also very hydrating and 100% DHA, which is so important. So I wanted to thank Coco and Eve for sponsoring today's video. Click on the link down below and check it out. Anyways, I'm about to go and rinse off my tan and then start getting ready, do my hair, do my makeup, and just get ready for the date night with me. All right, tap, tap. Let's just change my outfit. So 1, 2, 3. For the makeup. I feel so bronzed and nice. I don't know, I love it. I love the bronzer. I always feel most myself when I'm tan, glowy and hydrated, and that is how I feel right now. One tip that I've learned living alone, and I act like living alone is so revolutionary. How many of you guys live alone? Like most of you. But it's my first time, so it's new to me. But I was always really nervous about living by myself because I thought I would get really lonely. I am a huge introvert, which it might not seem that way because I do put myself on the internet. But for me, it takes so much effort to go out of the house and to make a plan and to do something because I'm so comfortable at home, which is obviously a good thing, but it can be a bad thing. I get incredibly comfortable to the point where I don't want to do anything. I don't want anyone to disturb me. I'm fine like being on my own, and I don't need to make plans. A lot of times the weekend will roll around and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have nothing to do. So I have to force myself to go out, and it's not because I don't like the people I'm going out with, or it's not because, oh, I don't want to hang out. It's just I'm comfortable at home by myself. I always am so refueled by my me time. Like as much as I'm gonna force myself to go out, I still need that time to myself, and I've cherished that time by myself. So I actually have enjoyed living alone a little more than I thought, and I haven't actually gotten lonely, which is awesome. You know, you never want that. Also, I have a little pimple right here that has literally been annoying me. But anyways, it's made me work even harder, I feel like, because I wake up, I do my own thing, I'm not like chatting with anyone, I'm not distracted, and I can just go straight to start working. So I have my morning routine down, which has been super, super nice. But of course, I still love this time to myself, and I feel like it's important. Like, I feel like a lot of people get a lot of flack for romanticizing their life, especially on TikTok. I'll see so many mean comments. Girls will literally like take a video selfie of themselves, like feeling themselves, you know, being happy, looking cute, getting ready, and like the comments on there be so toxic. Like, I'm just like, what the heck? Girls romanticize their life, let them be happy. Like, if we want to find the joy in going on a walk and making ourselves dinner and doing our daily tasks, and we want to make it aesthetic and film it and add some music and have a cute little montage, so be it. Like, I don't get why people are so like upset about that, you know? Or like, this is not real life. And let me do it. Like, let me find the joy in like the simple things. Like, I remember someone commented something like, oh my gosh, you make laundry look so aesthetic. Like, it was a really nice comment. And I was like, it's funny because all I did was like add some background music and cut up some clips of me doing laundry. But yeah, make your laundry aesthetic. It's gonna get you to feel a little better about the mundane daily tasks that we do. Do it. So that's what this video is. Me doing the mundane daily tasks, you know, putting on makeup in the morning, getting dressed, and then adding a little fun and excitement in my life. Nothing wrong with that. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. I've just seen so many negative comments on young girls. I'm so grateful that I am, one, the age I am. I like being 25. I have matured. Do I know everything? No. Do I have my life together? No. But I feel so much more confident in myself than I did when I was 20, no? Or when I was 18. Oh my gosh, so much more when I was 18. And I can't wait for when I'm 35 and I can say this is the most confident I've ever been at 35. And I'll look back at my 25-year-old self and I'll be like, oh my gosh, I'm so much, you know, more confident and like so much more happy in myself at that age. But right now I really am, and I feel like I'm so thankful because there's so much negativity online. I don't even want to say negativity because it's more than negativity. It's just straight up like people are mean. Like, it's not just like, oh, you're being negative. It's like people are seriously bullies online. I don't know what I would do if I was that age and I was getting those comments. I feel like I would be so upset, and it would really take a toll on my self-esteem. Regardless if you like the person or not, I think that's the thing. People think that anything that they see on the internet, they have to like. Get triggered for not liking something and they feel the need to comment something mean or whatever because maybe they didn't like what they saw. So you don't like something, just move on. The internet is not catered to you. It might seem that way sometimes, but seriously, move on. So I don't know, I felt this like wave that like people are really, I don't want to say the word entitled, but I'm gonna say the word entitled. It's an entitled mindset where it's like, if something doesn't serve me, if I don't like something, or if I disagree with something or whatever, then I have to leave a comment on it. Addison Rae or Charlie or anyone else, like, yes, they are putting themselves on the internet, but they're young and they read those comments, and it's just something to think about when you are leaving that type of hate out there or that type of negativity out there. It's like, just think about the fact that even if they have 80 million followers or subscribers or whatever it is, they're still real people. That's my rant on that. I don't even know how I got on that topic of conversation. I'm almost done with my makeup, so it was a good segue. If I was going on a date, this would be the look. I love this mascara. It is the Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. Look at that. Here's the look. Hello. My date, my camera is my date. I'm taking myself on a date. I think the first thing that I'm gonna do is cook for myself. I'm gonna play some music. I'm gonna cook for myself. Jan and I love cooking together. That's definitely one of our favorite date night activities, is cooking together. And usually we'll do like a fun dish, or I'll cook one of my specialty pastas, or one of my favorites is when he makes Persian food. He makes this one dish. He knows how to make one dish and it is good. It's like rice and then the rice becomes chatty, crispy rice at the bottom, so good. And then it's ground beef with like a ton of seasoning, turmeric, all of this yummy, yummy stuff, yummy spices, and then rice, and then beef, and then rice, and then beef. You know, it's like a layered dish. I don't know what it's called, but I always tell him, can you make the Persian dish? And it has green beans in it. That's all, what else it has. So freaking good. Mom makes some delicious Persian food also, but he's not at that level yet. Maybe one day. I am not that hungry, and I was like, why am I not hungry the one day I'm taking myself out on a date? So I'm gonna make a little something light. I'm gonna make a fresh tomato pasta. Pasta to me is never that heavy unless it's loaded with like heavy cream or like meat or whatever. So I'm actually going to make some pasta with some fresh tomato sauce, and I think it's gonna be so good. Got some Roma tomatoes. I have way too many onions. I need to get rid of them. And before sunset, I'm actually gonna buy a popsicle for dessert because there's this place here that has amazing popsicles, and I'm going to watch the sunset. And I think that is going to be such a good date. Let's get cooking.
We will not accept, though some did find it a problem.
Dinner for one with a view. Wow, this is nice. Actually, low-key looks really, really good though. I am on a rush to get my popsicle. I'm on a mission. Give me my popsicle. Anyways, sunset's at 8:05. Miami has traffic. I haven't even gotten the popsicle yet. Skies are blue, sun hasn't set yet, but I am on a race against the sun. You talked to her when we were together. That didn't matter. It took you 2 weeks to go off and date her. Oh, red light. All right, let's get this popsicle. I'm unscrewing you. We're almost there. There she is.
Anything else?
That's it. No, that's it.
Awesome.
The goods are secured. Let's go.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings.
I made it. So I am chilling in my Tesla and gonna have a little date night with, here she is. What a beauty. So I just got back, took my makeup off, cleaned the apartment, ended my date. So now I'm about to go to bed, just watch some Modern Family, but I loved filming today. I feel like it made me just be more, I guess, I don't want to say thoughtful, but I'm gonna say thoughtful in my daily routine and breaking out of that routine. And even if you live alone, or even if you're single, or you just like want to do something by yourself for once, you know, I think it's really good to romanticize. And I keep saying that word because I see it all over TikTok, but I really do think it is a good thing to romanticize the mundane tasks and the mundane things that you do, and that's what I kind of tried to do with today. I hope that you guys love this video. I will talk to you guys later, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.